Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your Skullcandy JIB True 2 earbuds with any MacBook. To do this, open this charging case and charge them for like 20 minutes by using this micro USB port and disconnect them from any previously connected devices. And the next step, remove both earbuds. And then just click and hold them, this left and the right button, until indicators start blinking blue and red. In my case they just turned off, so let's repeat. Click and hold. Now just release. Put them close to your MacBook. Go to the system settings. Open the Bluetooth. Turn it on with the switcher. From the Nearby Devices list, select your earbuds. As you can see, we have to wait a little bit. Okay, right now just select them from the list when they appears. And as you can see, right now we are successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.